the calculator exam, and first you've got a table where you can find all the measurements. So it says convert 4 pounds into kilograms. So you need to check where the pound section is, and you try and write down this number, as you can see here. We have that number is identical to that number, and that is 1 pound. So 4 pounds is times 4 this amount equals then 1.82. We do the same with the 10 centimeters to inches. So we have to look up how long is 1 centimeter. We get that from that table. We find it here. So 1 centimeter equals 0.394 inches. And we also have that written down here. 1 centimeter equals 0.394 inches. So if we were to calculate 10, that means times 10. So this number times 10 equals that number. We just shift the dot from here. We take that dot and shift it to the right side once, because the 10 has 1 0, so once into that direction. The same is also for these calculations. They're exactly the same as above. So if we have 4 liters, we have to look up how much is 1 liter, and then 4 liters are just 4 times this amount, and then you put your answer in here. Same for 30 ounces. So you need to check 1 ounce. In order to check where this is, you have to go back to the ounce section, and then you see how much grams. So it's 28 grams, and you can see it's 28 grams. So times 30 is then the number that you need. The same as this one here, you look up 1 kilogram, then times 2.67. Then you write it in here. These are 15 inches. Forget the D, I don't know what that is. So 1 inch is 2.54. Again, where do you always look up these numbers? You do not invent them, they're in here. So you look up here 1 inch in centimeters, 254. And you can see she's written down here 1 inch is 254. And then times 15, because we want to know how many inches are in 15. And then you get the answer. About the milli and centi and kilograms. So you would have to know the conversion of those units. So 500 milligrams are the same as, and then you can see 500,000 micrograms. You need to add 3 zeros in order to know how many micrograms these are. So that is the conversion table. 1,000 is always between those. That means here in this section, she also wrote down 1 milligram is 1,000 microgram. So then it was easy for her to figure out that 500 milligram is larger or bigger or heavier. You do the same for the kilograms and grams. So what is the conversion table here? Kilograms into grams. Grams is the smaller section. And the conversion table is also 1,000. The same for milligrams and grams here. So milligrams to a gram is also 1,000. And the biggest unit is kilogram, followed by grams, followed by milligram, followed by microgram. And all of these are always 1,000.